Joining and leaving the motorway, safety tips for drivers.
Good afternoon everybody, this is Motorway Driving School. I hope you're well, and I'm going to video about M25, how to join M25 from Kutrazban. So here that I'm on the roundabout, we are on the left lane, so we're going left. So first of all, when it's safe, we can go to the left hand side. Okay, so now we are into the slip road. So how to join in safely from slip road to M25. So first of all, check our mirrors, then match our speed to the cars already M25, right? Okay, so now center mirror, right mirror, signal right, center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and look for the gap. Build up your speed and look for the gap. When it's safe, then just slightly drift your car. That's it, beautiful. So the speed is 70, so I'm in the left lane. My speed is 68. That's fine, yes, 68 mile an hour. So what is the purpose of the left lane? The purpose of the left lane is in normal driving positions, and the middle lane and the right lane to overtake. So now this car in front of me, they're going slow, so how to change my lane safely? So check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and change lane when it's safe. Good. Okay, so now my speed is 68, so 2-second gap, so that means you can put a little bit close. So what I'm going to do again, I'm going to change my lane back to the I'm going to change my lane to the right lane again. Okay, so lane 3. So now center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and quick glance to your right shoulder, and when it's safe, you can change your lane. Okay, so now I'm in lane 3 and my speed is 70 mile an hour. Look far down the road, anticipate for anybody might come in front of you. So at the moment it's 70 mile an hour, my speed is 70, and then when it's safe to do so, and I will come back to the left lane. At the moment I'm not going to come back to the left hand side because I've got lorries in front of me, and then I'm not going to come back at the moment. So once I pass all these lorries, then I will come back. So this one in front of me is trucks. They are limited to 60 mile an hour, so my speed is at the moment 70 mile an hour. So now I've got the opportunity, well, I'm going to come back now. So now check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and then quick glance your left shoulder and then come back. So now speed is 70. Now the left lane is completely empty. So what do I need to do? Check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and come back to the left lane. Okay, so now the car in front of me going slow, mirror signal right, and then overtake this car as well. So it's going too slow. Yeah, so you're going to be looking far down the road to plan for ourselves. Okay, so now I am into the lane 2. My speed is 68, now 70. There you go. So at the moment I'm not gonna go back to the left hand side. Just stay in the middle lane at the moment. I'm not holding anybody behind me, so that's fine. So I'm 70 mile an hour. Then when it's safe to do so, I will come back. At the moment I'm good. Right, so looking far down the road, planning ahead, anticipating. Right, so all these lorries, they're going 60 mile an hour. My speed is 70. Right, so do I need to change my lane at the moment? No, at the moment, but I can see that one lorry in front of me change their lane. Okay, so see, if I see they're going too slow, I'm going to change my lane again. So I'm going to be leaving the M25 in a mile. So at the moment I'm here, it's good. Right, so now this lorry is in front of me, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my lane. So center mirror, right mirror, signal right, overtake the lorry. Okay, so now once I overtake the lorry, what I'm going to do, because I'm going to be leaving very soon, I'm going to come back. So at the moment I'm good. Yes, so now do I need to come back again at the moment? Yes, let's go back again. So center mirror, left mirror, signal left, come back here, nice, and then very soon in half a mile I'm going to change my lane back to the left hand side again. So from here, so nice and slow, good, have a look. So the speed is 60 now. So now what I'm going to do, center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and then I can go to the left hand side because I'm going to be leaving. Okay, motorway and then come to the left hand side. There you go. Nice. And give myself plenty space for the motorbike. There you go. So when we check our mirror signal, if there's no opportunity, we can't go. So cancel our signal, center mirror, left mirror signal, left again. Or if you're going right, center mirror, right mirror signal, right again. So cancel again, just in case the driver behind you, they might think you've forgotten where you signal. So you haven't forgotten, but you just apply again. So now leave that A10, center mirror, left mirror signal, left, leaving, and then that's how you do the leaving as well. So leaving and join is the same process, MSM mirror signal maneuver, and then if you do it right, you'll be absolutely fine. Thank you. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share,
Thanks
subscribe
for
for more
watching.
videos like this,
Share,
and have a lovely
subscribe
day.
for more videos like this. Stay tuned and drive safe.